Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to HUAWEI Nova Y70. First of all, you need to access Play Store on an Android and App Gallery on HUAWEI. Then click on the search bar and type in Send Anywhere. Following that, install this free app from this developer and open it. From this screen here, choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then we need to wait for HUAWEI and do exactly the same. So open, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Following that, you need to select Send on your Android and Receive on HUAWEI smartphone. Then tap on all of those dots and choose Send over here. This way you will choose all of your files that you wish to send and do that later on. It will take a long time to transfer all of mine now, so I will go into Photos, select only one, click on Send and tap on Got It. Now on HUAWEI, tap on No Thanks and close this window. As you can see now, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon, choosing only while in use and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also input this key here and then tap on the Receive button instead. Now as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!